Hi everyone, welcome back to Goms Tech Talks channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about the free certification courses for web development. This was requested by one of the subscribers. I'm so sorry for the late publishing it late. So please excuse me. And so this will be like, as you can see, web development is not a single thing, okay, single technology. It consists of a lot of technologies where we have to learn and understand it, okay. So first of all, let us understand what are the technologies which are involved in web development, and for moving forward, like I'll be telling you the free courses with certification for each and every technology, okay. So completely for the next 10 to 20 videos, it will be based on these technologies, okay, the free videos. So for a web development, we need a front end, okay, and a back end and a database to store the data and APIs to exchange the data. Apart from APIs, we need also the version control and collaborations like Git and GitHub. We need responsive designs, okay. We need the web protocols and securities like HTTP and HTTPS, okay. We need developmental tools like a command line. We need a DevOps for the development and deployment. In order to testing and debug, we need to learn something, and user experience like UX and UI design. But apart from all these things, we should know the front end development, the back end development, and the database, okay. This is very important. So how I have planned this is what in front end we need HTML, we need CSS, JavaScript. Okay, these three things are very essential. Apart from this, the recently and always growing technologies like React, Angular, Vue.js, and Python. I have already discussed about the Python, which is for data analytics. But in this video series, I'll be telling you like what are the important front end libraries, like important free videos, that is free courses with certificates specifically for Django and Flask, okay, which we'll be using it in Python. So the in backend development, we'll be using a Django and Flask, Ruby, and PHP. And for the database, we'll be using Postgre and MongoDB. And I'll also tell you like SQL and MySQL as well. Okay, that is free certifications for this. So before we proceed, I'd like to tell you that this is my channel, Gomes Tech Talks channel. If you haven't subscribed it, please go and subscribe it now, and consider joining in my community where you will get a lot of networks peers to connect with, and you will get exclusive access to the video. So here you can see this is only for members, okay, and I'll be updating this playlist at least twice a month, and you will get access to the PDF, the document, and whatever the thing which I'm discussing, even this, okay, even this particular document and image, everything, you will be getting access to all these things, and you can mail me and ask me if you have any queries. And if you're looking for free certifications, like previously if you have missed my videos on free certification, please go and check the Skill Up. So Skill Up is the playlist where you will get free certifications here. So here you can see how to become a Google certified trainer, and if you just scroll down, you can see various free certifications here, okay, that is data analytics free courses and everything. So let us go to the very first technology, which is the HTML, which we are going to discuss today. So I'll be showing you three important platform where you can learn for free and get the certification for learning as well. So the very first platform is what Great Learning. Why I have chosen this platform? Because no HTML, they have given you nearly 6 hours of learning HTML. Okay, it's a self-paced course, and you will get free lifetime access. And after completing this course, you will get completion certificate as well. Fine. So whatever the course you are enrolling, even if you're planning to pay and learn, so the very first thing which you have to check it for, how many hours you will be learning, and you should clearly understand what is the certificate is all about, what is this course is all about, okay. The third one which you have to look at for, what are the courses, what are the curriculum you are going to cover here. So you will be understanding what is introduction, what is HTML features, HTML editors, skeleton of HTML, comments, nested list, type of HTML. So all these things, okay, list and tag type. So everything you will be learning here, which is for 6 hours. And after completing this, you will be getting a certificate like this, okay. Successfully have completed the course. So you can add this into your resume. So the next thing is what textbook. Okay, this is HTML tutorial for beginners free course with certification. Okay, this is a 7 days course, so you can just scroll down and see how this course is actually structured. So here you can see this is introduction to HTML, where they have covered nearly what is okay. This is 22 minutes. This is 20 minutes, which is nearly of a few minutes only. Okay, like it will take around 3 hours to complete it. I think so. Here you will learn about what is links and list, media, table, grouping elements, forms, and everything. And you will get a complete HTML guide, which is as a notes. And finally, you will have a 50 questions where you will have a clear understanding of what is HTML and all these things. So if you have any queries, please go and check this frequently FAQs. Okay, and you have a curriculum as well, and you have a frequently asked questions here. So why should I enroll? Can the classes be downloaded? When I will get the certificate? So after completing 85 percentage of the 85 percentage of completion of the course. Okay, at least you should get 85 percentage. And how can I friend all these things? Okay, so you can also see here that this is zero. Okay, so you can buy this course, and this course duration is only 7 days. Okay, so please go and watch this course will be definitely useful for you if you wanted to learn HTML. And finally, here is the Coursera free courses for HTML. So you can just go and search for HTML here, where it will show you the various courses available only for HTML. So here you can see introduction to HTML5, which is a free course. Okay, actually here you can see they will be asking to enroll, and if you want to get they will ask you if you want to get the certificate. They'll ask you to pay, but I have an option for you. You can apply for financial aid here. So here you can see how to apply for financial aid in my playlist. So as I told in my skill up playlist, you can see the very second video is what Coursera paid courses for free with certifications. Okay, you can see here and apply for financial aid. So you'll be getting the financial aid within 15 to 16 days. Okay, what I can suggest you is what first you just start learning from here. Okay, the very first thing is go to this particular website, introduction to HTML5, and apply the financial aid here. Okay, click here, financial aid available, click the application, log in with your mail ID and password, and then you can just apply for the financial aid with the detailed steps I have which I have mentioned here. Okay, so that is the very first thing. So what you will get is what you will get the financial aid within 15 to 16 days. So meanwhile you start learning basics of HTML from here. Okay, these are the HTML, where this is a specialized course on HTML5. Okay, and you can see the week 1 and week 2, week 3 courses here, what they are planning to teach you. Okay, welcome to HTML5, and they'll be explaining very clearly about all these concepts, so you can learn everything, semantic tags, awesome demo, and everything. This is the advanced one in HTML. Okay, meanwhile you can learn the 6 hours of HTML and this too 7 days of HTML, so you will get an idea of how to do this. Okay, so that's all about the today's video, and where we have seen like how to learn HTML. Okay, free and courses with for web development. Moving forward in the next video, I'll be telling you HTML, CSS, and JavaScript together, like what are the free courses, and continuously for the next 10 to 12 weeks, we'll be learning about all the free courses which are available for this web development. If you have any queries, please leave your queries in the comment box. I'll be very happy to help you. And if you want any other suggestions, like if you want to learn any free courses on a specific technology, please leave the technology in the comment section. I'll be there to help you. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.